Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to delete the temp files on Windows 11. So first you have to open your settings. Then from there you have to go to the system. Then after that you have to go to the storage. And from here you'll be able to see the storage of your hard drive. This is the temporary files. Once it is loaded, you'll be able to delete it. It is loaded. You can just click here to remove the files. There is another way to delete the temporary files. To do that, you have to go to the search button and click Run. Once you open it, you have to write this and then click it OK. This will open the temporary files folder. You can just select it and then hit delete. Just select do this for all items. Try again. If you can't, you can just skip this one and it will delete the temporary files it can. These are used by some other softwares, that's why it's here. So this is how you delete the temporary files. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe.